Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by granting mic permission and selecting the cleanest input. This prevents noise and clipping. Once done, open Roblox Studio, create a new place, and add a sound object named Voice Record so you have a target for the recording. You'll want to test your hardware using the OS sound panel, speak at normal volume, and set input around 70 to 80%. This ensures recordings capture full dynamics without peaking, and it gets you into the actionable workflow immediately. You should record locally with a dedicated app like Audacity for quality and editability. Roblox's uploader expects final files. Once recorded, save as WAV at 44.1 kHz and 16-bit depth, then trim silence and normalize to around -3 decibels so levels are consistent. After simplifying the clip, import the file through Asset Manager, upload as an audio asset, and set the sound object's sound ID to the new asset. This connects your file. You finalize by testing playback in both play and server modes to confirm timing, volume, and any looping behavior. Once satisfied, publish the audio asset, ensure it's moderated and permitted for your game, and reference the sound ID in scripts or GUI handlers so players hear it. If things go wrong, check that the upload completed, that the audio passed moderation, and that sound service and individual sound volumes aren't muted. These steps resolve most silent playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.